Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine. My name is Lovett, and in this channel I share about prophetic words that will help your life greatly. So if you're interested in prophetic words, I would like you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a video you'll be notified and you come and watch. So this is a prophetic word for you today. This is a prophetic word for you today. God said he will anoint you with the oil to excel. He's bringing anointing to excel upon you. He will anoint you with the oil to excel. Mark it from now. Start counting. If you believe and accept this, start counting from now. You see, you begin to excel in a different dimension, in a better dimension, because of the anointing. If you believe this thing, say, I receive anointing to excel. And mention the area of your life you want to excel. Mark it from now. You begin to excel in a different dimension, in a better dimension. Everything will start working well for you with the power of the anointing. People will begin to notice it. You begin to shine. You begin to expect. People will begin to favor you. Even when you didn't ask them for favor, people will start to like to relate with you. If you believe this, type amen.